This video is not financial advice. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. Let me tell you a quick story. In the early 2000s, a Japanese trader named BNF started with just a few $1,000s. No fancy setup, just a basic computer and a strategy. Within a few years, he had turned that into over $100 million, trading from a tiny apartment, without a team, and without the spotlight. He didn't gamble, he didn't guess, he followed a plan. And that's exactly what you need. So in this video, I'm going to break down 5 trading strategies that actually work, with examples to help you understand how each one fits different types of traders. 1. Swing trading. Swing trading is all about catching price moves that last a few days to a few weeks. Let's say a stock dips on Monday and starts climbing by Wednesday. You buy during the dip and sell the following week once it peaks. This strategy doesn't require you to watch charts all day, but you do need patience and basic technical analysis. It's perfect for people with jobs or other commitments who want to trade part-time. 2. Day trading. Day trading is buying and selling within the same day. No holding overnight. You might see a stock reacting to news at market open. You jump in, ride the move for 30 minutes, and close the trade before lunch. It's fast-paced, high-risk, and requires focus, discipline, and strong risk management. If you enjoy quick decisions and can handle market volatility, day trading might be for you. 3. Scalping. Scalping is ultra-fast trading, holding a position for seconds or minutes. You might buy a stock, make a tiny gain, sell, and repeat that process 20 to 50 times a day. Scalping is about volume, small wins that add up. It demands lightning-quick reflexes, low fees, and a broker that can handle rapid trades. It's intense, but for some traders, it's the most exciting way to trade. 4. Trend following. This strategy is about riding the wave. You wait for a clear trend, up or down, and enter in the direction of that trend. No guessing, just confirmation. You hold as long as the trend stays intact, then exit when signs of reversal appear. Think of it like surfing. Once you're on the wave, you ride it until it breaks. Trend following is ideal for people who like longer trades with less emotional pressure. 5. Breakout trading. Breakout trading is all about timing. Imagine a stock stuck between $95 and $100. It keeps bouncing in that range for days. Then suddenly, it breaks past $100 on high volume. That's a breakout. Traders enter right at that moment, expecting a strong move in the same direction. Breakouts often happen during news releases, earnings reports, or after long periods of consolidation. If you like explosive moves and clear setups, this might be your goal. These 5 strategies: swing trading, day trading, scalping, trend following, and breakout trading, all have their place. Each one matches a different personality, time commitment, and risk level. So which one are you most interested in? Comment below and let me know. And if you got value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the Wealth Loop for more smart money tips, faceless income ideas, and beginner-friendly trading content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.